Hi everyone, my name is Sil and this is Slow Easy English. Thank you for joining me on a new video. Before I start, if you have seen my channel and my videos and you like them, please don't forget to click the like button, of course after you've decided you like my video. Click the like button, and if you want to see more, don't forget to click the subscribe and the little bell to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you. Okay, so today, I don't know what that was. Today, I want to talk about literally. If you pronounce it super clearly, then it sounds like literally, but native English speakers say literally. And I just want to mention, I just wanted to make a quick video about this to mention to everyone who is learning English, don't be confused by this word, because a lot of native English speakers are using it incorrectly. They're misusing it. And they're not, because of that, if you hear it being misused, you might be confused by the word being misused. Don't know what's wrong with me today. Anyway, and I want to clear up that confusion. So the word literally means that the meaning of the sentence is exactly and actually as the words say. No exaggeration. It's not a metaphor. It is exactly as stated, okay? And that's the meaning of literally. Unfortunately, it's quite common to hear native English speakers use the word incorrectly, and they will use a metaphor or an exaggeration, and they will say literally, which makes you go, well, wait a minute, that can't be right. So for example, if I say, I love that restaurant, it's fantastic, I have been there 1,000,000 times, then you know I'm exaggerating, because you can't go to a restaurant 1,000,000 times. If I say, that movie was so funny, I laughed my head off, then you know it's an idiom, right? I laughed my head off. Of course, I still have my head. It's attached to my body, so I didn't actually laugh my head off. But you'll hear some native English speakers use exaggerations and idioms with the word literally. And that might be a little bit confusing. So for example, you might hear someone say, I love that restaurant. I've been there 1,000,000 times. Literally. I've literally been there 1,000,000 times. Well, of course not. They haven't been there literally 1,000,000 times. That's impossible. You can't do that. You can't live long enough to go to a restaurant 1,000,000 times. You literally do not have enough time in your life to go to a restaurant literally 1,000,000 times. Or the laughing the head off one, right? Oh, that movie is so funny. I literally laughed my head off. You did what now? You literally laughed your head off? And yet you're still talking. How is that possible? So that's how you use the word literally, okay? Or that's how you don't use the word literally. Don't use the word literally when you're exaggerating or when you're using an idiom that means something completely different from the words being used. So that's it. That's my video. Just a few minutes. I wanted to talk about that, make sure that no one is confused by it. And if you care about being correct, and I'm not talking about grammar book correct. I'm talking about logically correct. You know, you can't possibly literally do something like go to a restaurant 1,000,000 times. It's impossible. So to say literally, I literally went there 1,000,000 times, it's just, it doesn't even make sense. If you care about being correct, then make sure that you're using the word literally correctly, and only when you actually mean the words that you're using, without exaggeration, without using an idiom or a metaphor. These are the words I'm using, and this is exactly what I mean, right? I've been to that restaurant literally 100 times. That is possible. I didn't go 90 times. I didn't go 80 times. I went 100 times. 100. Not 99, 100. Literally 100 times. So, or more, perhaps. But yeah, that's how you use literally. So good luck with that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them for you. And if there's something in this video that wasn't clear, feel free to ask me anything. I will try to clear that up and help out as much as I can. So that's it. That's my video. Thank you for watching. I will see you, I hope, in the next video. And don't forget, click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the bell to get the notifications, and support the channel if you like it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.